guys, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Wednesday afternoon. We're going to Central Park to meet our subscriber Marcos, and later we will take some video also from another hotel, and so that you can see it. So let's go.
What is room for rent? Room for rent. А вот name hotel Bunny. Guys, hi. Now we're in the back side of Walking Street. Shaira, did you been before here?
No.
First time.
Yes.
Grande Residence. Let's go. How many floors, Shaira? Count. Shaira, count. Okay, walk. 15. How many elevators? Two.
We have actually 4, but it's still under construction.
Under
There's
construction.
More.
It's good. So we in La Grande Residence. La Grande.
La Grande, sir.
La Grande.
La Grande Residence.
Shaira don't like in the elevator.
Showroom.
He sleep maybe. Lost.
Guys, this one is a master suite, 1 bedroom, and the rate is 45,000 per month.
45,000 per month. 45,000 per month, yeah?
Yes, sir. Only for the room rental, not included the housekeeping, internet.
Housekeeping, how much need pay?
You need to avail the service package. This one.
Can I see?
Then this one is the comfort room. And this one is the bedroom, which is a king size bed. And as of the moment, they are removing the scaffolding. As you can see, there is still scaffolding.
It's temporary only, yeah. So
Yes.
good view later. Good
Yeah.
view.
Even if
New aircon. Double inverters. Okay. Pillow, good. Not soft. Good. I think good. Shaira, try. Joke. You can try if you
I can bounce there.
if you rent, Shaira.
It can be open. It's possible to open that, sir, because
Because of
it's
the
still scaffolding. But soon it will be open.
It's the second floor.
Yes, sir. This is
It's view to parking lot. If open, this is parking lot we can see, yeah?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
parking lot, yeah.
So you can see.
Okay. buy already available. I think good. What do you think about this apartment?
Good, because they have already some equipment.
All for living already.
It's for living already. Just only need to pay.
Marcos, what do you think about this home?
I think it's nice room. It's a nice room, but let us see the 2-bedroom. So I'm sure it's much more
So
bigger.
need to choose again more rooms. Take a look.
Yeah, one more room.
Yeah. So this is studio type.
This one is a grand studio.
Studio.
Grand.
Studio.
Showroom.
Already wake up. Of course. Maybe someone sleeps. Maybe worker already. Maybe your worker sleep here.
This is a grand studio. It's the market rate is 33,440.
How much?
33,400.
33,400. Okay. Studio type. But it's also good.
Yeah.
And price 33,000 I think is.
The other one was 45,000.
For the other one,
Before
45,000.
Okay.
45 is.
But I like the other room more. So the other room, I think it's a little bit better, you know. So from the rooms.
Yeah, it's only if you live alone, maybe it's enough.
Yeah. But from the because it's separated, yeah. As you said.
Of course, separate is, but it's a price
It's
cheaper.
lower.
Who want to save money like Georgi?
Yeah.
Maybe
can come
it's
here.
okay.
Can come here.
Yeah.
It's a queen size bedroom.
Right? Yes. Okay.
And daily also?
Yes, sir.
A daily how much?
For the daily service rate is 3,799 per night. That include cleaning, housekeeping, baby, and also the internet cable and water and electricity.
What is about speed of internet? Internet speed
In the phase 2, we have a 20 Mbps.
20. And here?
On the phase 1, phase 2, 20 Mbps. While on the phase 1, which is the balcony facing on the ground floor, the ground pool, 5 Mbps.
5?
Yes, sir.
20 and 5. I maybe renew soon after
Yes, sir,
renovation.
because the building is still not finished. That's
Understand. Maybe someday I say busy. I can hear next time.
This one is
Also.
a 1-bedroom standard.
I think all the same here. Yes, all the same.
So this is similar to the first one, right?
No, sir. This one is a standard 1-bedroom, same 1-bedroom, but this is a standard, which is much lower, which is 40,480.
40,480.
Yes.
So
Cheaper.
approximately 5,000 cheaper, approximately.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. 5,000.
Ah. That's the size.
Yeah, it's smaller.
Yes, before it's bigger.
Yeah, but I like this, you know, because it's separated. I like more separated things.
Here have different,
Like this.
little bit different.
Chair, table, chair,
Then
table.
also separate with your bed.
Entrance to CR only here.
Uh-huh.
Or have another CR.
No.
Don't have only one CR inside where.
Okay, because
So what better for you, Shaya? What personal for you? What room better?
Yeah.
You already seen three rooms.
3 rooms, the second floor, the third floor, and the sixth floor. The sixth floor, it's good for family. It's suitable for family because they have kitchen, they have living room, they have separate room. But if you want bigger more, you need to go to second floor because it's separate. If you have visitor, they have separate. What is this bed bathtub? So they don't need to go to in your private room, so it's better. And the third floor is for single, like for couple only. Couple, or you want to stay here a long time, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Rainy season.
It's
Oh,
a
look
two-bedroom
big. Look big. For party.
For party people,
Yeah,
not for family.
not for family.
This is a two-bedroom premier, which is the master bedroom. The guest bedroom, sorry. The guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. The bed is a queen size bed.
Okay.
And they have a public, the main CR.
Main CR have.
Restroom.
Ага.
And this one is the master bed.
This is view better. Oh, this big balcony. Big balcony. It's good. Yeah, you can go inside. You can check. Shaira, I will hold you, don't worry. Okay. Oh, it's good. It's jacuzzi.
It's not jacuzzi.
Not jacuzzi. It's only one.
A big one.
But big.
Big one. So it fits maybe 3-4 person. Oh, 3%.
Yes. Well, it depends on person also.
Yeah.
If say like Shaira, maybe 5 or 10.
Yeah.
Shaira, what do you think? How many Shairas can go inside?
5.
5. Shaira, no.
Me, I have, because I have long
If
legs.
with me, Shaira.
Only me, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Why you ask?
So,
And how much money this room in the monthly?
For this one, sir, it's a two-bedroom premier, 60,170.
60,170.
70.
Okay.
it's not expensive. It's okay.
Can
I think. It's okay.
For the amount it's below.
This is all daily. Or daily not
For daily, it's 5,990.
5,000, no, about 6,000 daily.
Yes. It's 93 square
Uh-huh.
meters.
Okay.
About 100 meters.
But the price is good because it's you said 60,000, right?
60,170.
So if you share it with a friend, you pay only 30,000.
Yeah, because it's 2 bedrooms.
Or for example, this is just a smaller one.
Yeah.
Okay, if you say to your friend, okay, give me 20,000 pesos,
Yeah.
I pay 40,000 because this is bigger. It's also, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, I know. Also can stay here. For Filipina, it's okay here. 10 person, I think. 10 person. What your boss say about if he see Filipina sleep here? We stay 10 person. He said, oh my God. He said,
It's not
allowed.
allowed,
He
sir,
said,
because-
yes.
Not
Two
only
bedroom,
10.
only 4 adults.
Yeah. 4 adult take big bags inside Filipina. Okay, thank you. Good also. Sorry, guys, joking, but I am not always joking, Guys, this is rooftop.
As you can see, our roof living and our German structure.
Sky bar. Already working Sky bar? Very good.
Oh, they have swimming.
Yeah,
For
swimming
the
pool.
swimming pool, sir, this one is a 4 feet
Uh-huh.
deep. While on the jacuzzi
Ага.
It's not heated, but with bubbles.
Ага, ага.
And it's still under construction, the phase 2 upper floor.
This is second phase 2. This is
Yes,
phase
sir.
2 upper
Phase
floor.
2 upper.
Maximum is 15 floors, so 16. How many?
16 floors.
16 floors.
Yeah.
16. So you, Shaira, you count wrong. Shaira said 15. 16. Okay, okay. Guys, take a look. This is good view. Swimming pool. Now start rain. You can see Clark International Airport. This is Clark International Airport. Also you can see it's the same city, Clark. This is Kandi Tower. Kandi Tower. Yes, it's a Arayat. Guys, this is Arayat. Yeah, because it's now it's rain. Already start rain.
That's normal.
Yeah, it's good, it's not hot.
Northern part of
Guys, so many girls here. So many. This is perimeter road bars. So who like girls? No, I think many guys like girls. You can go to the bar and take girls to tea and to the. I recommend it. Just only. No, it's not my recommendation. For my recommendation, you can find good people.
I understand.
Do you like here? Shaira?
Let's check. Yeah, this section. Yeah.
Ah.
This is the gym.
Oh, it's gym. Gym is good. Oh, yeah.
This one is the gym. Open from 6 a.m. until 10. 6
What time? From 6
a.m.
6
till
a.m.
10 p.m. Yes, sir.
10 p.m. Okay.
And it's all open from the registered residence. We are not allowing the walk-in or some visitors that need to be.
Not allowed to visitor, only
Yes, sir.
who live here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Only for
They pay.
registered.
Even if if you rent only daily rates, it's also possible to use.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Shaira, can you sit? Shaira don't want. Two aircon here. Good. Good view also.
I told you, Sarah, she can box.
You try, Shaira. Oh, very good.
That's not why what is this? Why?
Yeah, you can another exercise. Time now, guys. Water also.
Sure, I will
But if
Start
I
rain already.
but if I can punch people, I can do more.
You can punch people, Shaira. I'm scared now. No, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Walk with you, because you can my bodyguard.
I know already what I do. I can do for
Shaira, all people know already what you can do. All people. Start rain. Yeah, good view. Okay, let's go. Rain is okay. It's not snow. Yes, Island Shaira, you know. Nails, hair, nail salon.
She is the sauna supervisor.
Would you like to check this out?
Yes, please.
I would just request to lower our voice because there's an echo.
Of course.
One moment.
Go ahead, sir.
Then I go so we can
With tiles. Tiles on the wall, sit here. This is sauna. Light. I don't have light, guys. But this is wooden. It's wooden.
offer some membership card, but you can use it for a month. It's only 1,000 here.
This is nails. Sauna.
We didn't have a people.
Focus. А вот здесь. Oh, nice. Oh, I think someone's in here. It's not. Sorry. It's also wooden. Oh, sound I hear sound. Ghost maybe.
Really good.
I hope I see you some.
6 months.
Oh, that's good to hear.
That's why I'm check out.
Yeah. Just. Yes.
Pwede ko daw makiram ng menu.
Menu sir. Yes po. Sige yan sir.
Different lang.
Wala nang yun. Magpapalit lang ako. Magpapalit. Hindi, nakalaking dun eh. Next year. Order ko. And 2025, I wanna move to the Philippines. Police. I need to
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Oh, they have also stores here.
Of course. Store have. No, don't have rain. Already good weather, Shaira.
Yes, together.
Let's go.
But my tummy not together right now.
You want it, I know. Later. We already in Fields Avenue. We're going to eat in kimchi restaurant. Sarah,
Yes,
kimchi.
yes, kimchi. Oh, they have big mango.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. How much is manga?
150 per kilo.
150 per kilo is the same, yeah? No, not now. We after eat we will buy. It's good.
Come back.
Yeah.
Come na.
But we go to eat now. After eat we park there.
Oh,
This guy know us.
Just wait na.
I
Wait.
Don't worry, I will buy. Not so many, but I will buy. I want to try.
How much is one?
50, 150.
50?
Yeah,
50
This is 50, this is 50. This is 1 kilo, 150.
1 kilo, 1
Well, if you want, you can buy for 50 and you can try.
I think so, huh?
Try.
I will buy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shaira, let's go.
This one
It's very close.
is good here, but it's not the same way the France restaurant there.
Okay.
And their cheesecake, it's not the same. I like the cheesecake there.
Where you like cheesecake, Shaira?
France,
Millier Cafe. Okay, let's go to another side. Marcus never been in kimchi restaurant.
Never.
Shaira want to show to you foods.
there, my friend. Last night.
Mango. It's different mango. This is 100, 120, 130. Different mango, okay? Oh, so many people. I order always kimbap. This kimbap is 80 peso. It's not spicy. Have different kimbap. This is cheesy, little bit cheesy.
What is this? Is this fish?
No, it's rice with seaweed in outside. They covered with seaweed in the outside, and with what is this? Egg, shrimp.
Oh, kimbap inside rice.
Rice. But
Rice.
no fish or seafood inside.
Vegetable.
Vegetable only.
Vegetable. Little bit
I
vegetable.
think I will also try this.
Oh, it's only one way.
Yes. Mango, mango. You choose, Shaira.
Wow, may
Maybe
kuhan.
this one.
1 and 1 po. 200 na lang po.
How much?
200. Give money, kuya. Kuya, give money. Kuya, give money daw.
Yes, I give money to her, of course. Of course, I give money.